Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a beautiful summer look with brand new beauty releases. And this is not just your pretty cute packages. These products have a nice skin loving ingredients. So let's dive in. Summer and you need sunscreen. I choose for you today Beauty Bio 40 SPF Perfecting Blending Drop. It's your sunscreen primer together, and it's also have a skincare ingredients. It's very light. It has little bit color, but it's a color adjusting color here. Very light, not oily, not greasy, do not have any white residue, and you have two actually protection here. You have UVA and UVB, sorry, protection. Okay, now I need a little bit extra. It's mean I need to cover my discoloration and pigmentation. Today I'm gonna try something new to me, and this is its brand Euphoria. This foundation made with 68 skin ingredients, and it's a plant-based, perfect for natural glowing finish. Let me apply, let me try this. If you want full coverage, you will use a brush. If you want just even your skin, you will use Beauty Blender. And I'm gonna try with Beauty Blender today. It's new to me. Let's see, everybody's saying it's a very good foundation. This is its serum foundation, but I'll be honest with you, I'm so surprised. Usually serum foundation really light, they like more like a watery base, but this is very creamy and rich. I use Beauty Blender, but I feel this is its full coverage. It's not your light or even medium coverage, but it's covered all my discoloration and pigmentation. I think this foundation looks really good on me, but if you have a texture, I will definitely say no, this foundation not for you. Next, I'm gonna use Kosas concealer, and this concealer, it's a brightening concealer, hydrating concealer, have caffeine, hyaluronic peptides, and it's a vegan sorry and silicone free. Believe me or not, I'm still working for Nordstrom. It's so hard for me, even with selling this concealer, to get this color. And my color is 2.6C. By the way, I really need your help. I wanna know, where do you shop? Do you shop at Nordstrom, Sephora, Ulta, or somewhere else? Wow, I like how this concealer feels very creamy, light, and I just like how it feels. But at the end of this video, I need to see very close magnifying mirror, do I like or not. But so far it's a big difference. Let me know if you see this difference or not. Love you more than ice cream. Please comments below. Another brand new product, and this is from MAC, Strobe Dewy Skin Tint. I absolutely in love. You can use with your foundation, on top your foundation, under your foundation. You can even mix with your moisturizer. Will give you this nice, beautiful glow. And I just love how this product looks on my skin. I don't have a perfect skin, but I know products which one to use to make my skin looks way more better. I'm gonna use loose powder from Hourglass Color Veil, and it's really light powder. It's not heavy. I'm just gonna set my I'm gonna set my foundation. Time for me to use beautiful bronze from Lancome. Look at this spectacular package and Hallelujah, I wanna say Lancome finally start bringing something new and new merchandise for us. It's your Lancome CE Skin Transforming Bronze. It's come in 7 colors. Let me show you, let me swatch for you. This bronze enriched with vitamin C and E plus moringa oil for a natural bronzy look. It's give you nice beautiful hydration up to 24 hours. Okay, let's try. I don't even want to touch it. So pretty. I love the small details, this rose here, and it have a lively, very lovely smile, very mild smell. Okay, I apply number 2. It's my shade. I can probably pull number 3, but number 2 will looks very natural. It's also it's very soft, powdery texture. It's remind me Charlotte Tilbury powder. I am impressed with this powder. I probably should try number 1 is my powder because I really like how this bronze sits on my skin. Now I need to add a little bit pop of color, and I'm gonna use Kaza's blush. It's a baked blush color, Euphoria, cool pinky mauve undertone, and this blush have a hyaluronic. You see, all these products today have a lovely skin ingredients. I really like this blush. It's no sparkles, but give me truly this luminous glowing look. For my eyes, I'm gonna use this lovely eyeshadow palette from MAC, and this is its arrangement palette. It's exclusive to Nordstrom. This is your Nordstrom MAC anniversary eyeshadow palette. It's coming also with eyeliner. Look at this 6 beautiful color. Shimmer, matte, matte, satin, matte, and gorgeous gold sparkles. I have a big blending brush, and I'm gonna use this matte eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply kind of like almost on the entire my eyelid. If you want me create video specific with this eyeshadow palette, please comments below, and I will make video just for you. First color I apply on my low lid, and I'm gonna push this color up. Very easy, very soft, nice, beautiful eyeshadow. This is again look, it's not gonna be your complicated look, easy and quick. Another big blending brush, and I'm gonna use this beautiful, I will say brick brown color. This dark color I'm gonna apply right here in the corner, and I pushing color up. Same eyeshadow I'm gonna apply very softly underneath. With my finger, I'm gonna apply this gold eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. I have small tiny brush, and we're gonna use this lighter color in this palette. I'm gonna apply right here, very close where's my brows. Kind of like halfway. I don't go all the way, just right here, halfway. And I'm adding this lighter color right here in the corner. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Remember, it's exclusive to Nordstrom. You can message me on the Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. I will hold for you. But I love variety of these colors. It's so easy to use. And I don't know why I feel they are different quality. I feel they better than regular one. Love this palette. Okay, let's apply a little bit mascara. I'm gonna use Ysl Mascara. Look at this brush. Yes, I love this mascara for my top lashes because they make my lashes so big and huge, and for my bottom I'm gonna use mascara from MAC because it's a little bit too big brush for my low lashes. Wow, look at my lashes. This is insane, right? Finally, let's finish this look. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. I have brand new MAC lip balms. I have brand new 14 colors Lancome lip balms. You know what? Let me choose some beautiful brand new lip balm from Lancome. It's Lancome Lip Idol Butter Glow Hydrating Lip Balm. Has radiance finish, long wearing, paraben free, sulfate free, have shea butter, have jojoba oil, and what I like about it's not sticky, it's very hydrated, and it's really have a mild scent. I think it's like 1% of something they add, but it's not strong. You don't feel any, I will say, chemical or perfume like scent on your lips. Okay, it's so many colors. You know, I don't know which one to try. By the way, if you want me to create a video and swatch for you all 14 colors, let me know and I will make video just for you. Comment below, my beauty team. For my lips, I'm gonna use Iconic Nude Lip Liner from Charlotte Tilbury and Lancome New Lip Balm number 53. Wow, this lip balm truly have a nice, beautiful color. Oh my god, I love my makeup today. What do you think? I'm looking at my concealer and concealer looks really good. I love my glowing cheek. This is such a beautiful blush. I think I feel a little bit foundation sit on my skin, a little bit maybe heavy, but it's not too bad. I love this look. I hope you learn a lot from me. If you like this video, please comment below, subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. Love you more than ice cream.